Golden milk with turmeric powder. Turmeric golden milk is an effective natural remedy for treating and maintaining good bone, spine, and joint health. It lubricates all the joints in the body and helps break down calcium deposits. It can be of great benefit in the treatment of arthritis. For this purpose, doctors of Indian traditional medicine recommend 1 salt of golden milk daily and claim that a positive change will be noticed in the joints. In addition, golden milk stimulates digestion, strengthens immunity, has a beneficial effect on female reproductive organs, and relieves coughs and colds. The color, smell, and taste of golden milk are a real balm for the senses. It is especially recommended for states of exhaustion, stress, insomnia, and depression. Golden turmeric milk recipe. First, prepare the turmeric paste. Cook a 1/4 cup of turmeric powder, spice, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper over medium heat, stirring constantly until it turns into a thick paste. When cool, pour into a glass container and store in the refrigerator. This way you will have a paste ready for every drink of golden milk. Heat a cup of milk, of your choice, plant or animal, a teaspoon of coconut oil, and turmeric paste to taste over medium heat without letting it boil, and add honey as desired. Drink warm.